Hi, Gretchen Yui here. This is a tutorial on how to sign up as a distributor, how to place your first order and enroll. So here we go. You're going to go to LifeWave's homepage on the internet, and in the address bar, you're going to type in lifewave.com. And for the sake of this demo, it just defaults to my lifewave.com/Gretchen Yui. But you would put in here whoever you've been working with, you will get their replicated website address, which is what this is, and you will put either their name or business name, however they've set this up. It'll be lifewave.com/their specific username. And so you'll put that in, and then once you return on that, then you will actually see their name or their company name here in yellow, and you'll know you're where you need to be. And when you do the sign up and you join, it's going to be that you fall under the person and the team that you're wanting to work with. So at this point, you're going to click join right here in the upper right corner, and you're going to select your country, and you're going to click join now. And then here's where it gets fun. We have all these options. We have all these enrollment kits, and there's bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond. Each of these enrollment kits, of course, as you get like to the larger ones, they become more economical. So it's really at the gold kit where you start getting the product for actually less than regular wholesale price, which is really cool. And that's where I started. I started years ago as a gold. Since then, I've upgraded and bought a diamond kit because I needed the product. But one reason I enrolled as a gold is that as a gold and as a distributor, if you're wanting to do the business, it actually allows you to earn maximum amounts in commissions. So unless you're gold, or higher, you cannot be a manager, and you really need to have purchased at one of these levels and to qualify as a manager, and then have these opportunities with commissions. So a gold kit will get you 11 regular sleeves, or if you want to buy the X39 or X49, consider these like 11 credits, and an X49 sleeve would cost 2 credits, and it would take 2 credits to get an X49. So anyway, for the sake of the demonstration, I am going to select that. But before that, I want to just explain that there's something here at the beginning called a starter kit. You do not have to purchase this and an enrollment kit. I've had people do that before. No. This fee, and there is an enrollment fee built into all of these kits, but for legal sake, LifeWave has to offer a way to join as a member, as a distributor, without requiring a person to purchase any product. So that's what this is. But again, this fee is built into these other kits. So you just buy one of the kits, and then you've dealt with that. The other nice thing about LifeWave is they don't charge a fee, like an annual fee, like some other network marketing companies. It's built into the kits, and I've never been doing this for a long time, and I've never had another fee come across my credit card. So it's really nice. And the replicated website that you get, that is free. We do not charge monthly for that. A lot of good things. So I'm going to select gold just for the sake of this demonstration. And so then there's a kind of like a cart here that we're going to fill. And this is, again, totally customizable. So really great that we can customize this with whatever patches we want. There is a sales kit aid that comes with the enrollment kits. It's just some, they're really nice marketing materials and some literature. So be on the lookout for that when you get your kit. But I'm gonna just show you real quick how to customize this and make it whatever you want. I'm just gonna make this up, but right now we've used 5. Remember this, the X39 is worth 2 credits. So this costs 10 credits plus 1. So that's why the bar down here is green, because we've really filled it with like everything we can for the price we're paying. I'm going to take away the Alavita, and I am going to go under patches, and I'm going to add the Y-Age Eon patch to that. I'm going to add a carnosine to it. I'm going to add some LifeWave to it. That's for pain. And the Eon was for inflammation. Yeah, initially I ordered Silent Nights for my husband and he loved them. So now we're going to go back to this, and I'm going to take the number of X39 sleeves down to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to add an extra one of 9 of Eon, an extra LifeWave, and I think I'm going to add an energy enhancer too. Let's see where we're at now. Okay, so this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, wait, I'm way over. Well, let me take down those to 1 and see where we're at. You have to eliminate, let's see, this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep, I'm at a green line again. So I've got 11 credits. I'm getting all this variety, which kind of is what I originally did. I had a lot of different ones in here to try, but I've got a nice 3-month supply of the X39. I do want to mention that with these enrollment kits, as a distributor, there's a 30-day money back guarantee. It's 30 days from the day that the order initially shipped from the company. So just keep that in mind. If this is your very first experience with LifeWave, there is a wonderful money back guarantee. I appreciate that they do that. And then this is your personal information plate. Okay, here it says, would you like a monthly subscription for some of our products? If you are planning to really do the business, I would recommend that you do sign up for a monthly subscription, because that will keep you active, and any volume that comes in your organization through you or people that have trickled in under you, that will, you want to stay active so that volume doesn't flush. Here I would add, I mean, this is just an example. You can put on your auto ship whatever you want, but a lot of people these days are adding a sleeve of X39, a sleeve under pain and stress relief. A lot of people love Eon. That used to be before X39. That was our #1 seller. Takes down inflammation. And I guess I'll just maybe leave it like that for now. Okay, so then next, and it asks you when you want to start your subscription order. I'm going to book that out. Let's see, I ordered 2 of the, I think 2 of the X39, or wait, maybe 3. So I'm going to book it out like 2.5 months from, yeah, about that. I think that would be good. Oh, wait, that's 8. You guys don't even know when I'm doing this probably, but June would be about 2.5 months out from that. So that will start. Although as a distributor, the gold pack will keep me active for a month. So I'm going to change that, because right now it's March. I'm going to change that to a month out. So yeah, I think that's a smart thing to do. All right, so that auto ship is set up, and now we're going to do some basic, personal information we're going to enter, and I'm just going to make stuff up like Joe Smith as the name of the person. And if he was doing this under his company name and registering this under his company, we would list something there. Recognition content. So you're going to say, if you ever get recognized as like a manager, a director, senior presidential director, how would you want your name stated? Or do you opt out of having it printed or made public in any way? So I'm going to say, hey, if I get recognized, use my full name. I'll be so excited. And then gender, you don't have to say that, but if you want to, you can. In this case, Joe, I'm going to say he's a guy. And January 1st, well, I'm just going to make that up. And they do require a mobile phone number. And then Social Security and tax ID number, that is optional. However, if you do make a commission, they will require you to submit that to them along with a photo ID. So just keep that in mind. You can either do it now or later, but even later, you will have to provide a photo ID before commissions are released to you. And you'll include your language and an email address. And then it will ask, would you like to join a mailing list? Yes, I would recommend you definitely do that, because that's oftentimes how I find out that they're having a promotion or a sale. If I haven't checked my back office, I would maybe sometimes miss it. And so I appreciate their emails, and they don't send their emails super often. Like, I feel like recently it's been no more than once a month. And so they're really considerate about that. Your address, this will be your main address, shipping address, and then you will add, now here's where you're going to create your username. So you could put in, Joe Smith. If it's like a common name, you might have to put no, because I think this will not work. Right, name is unavailable. So let's say 8, 9, 10 after it, and that's good. So if you have a really common name, you may have to come up with a number or something else that's original. And then password, this has to be 6 characters long. It needs a capital letter, a number, a special character. And if you can figure one like that out, you'll be good. A special characters like an exclamation point or something like that. You can click this, show my password, so that you can see what you're typing as you're typing it. I appreciate that. Now, they want to just make sure that that first main address that you gave is where you want these different shipments going. So they're going to ask for shipment information for the initial enrollment order. So for your enrollment kit, where do you want that to go? It may be the same as the main address. So you maybe don't have to fill all this out. You can just check mark that. And then for your monthly subscription order. So in this case, we decided we're going to just do it the next month, so we stay active, and we can click that if it's the same address. And then you get down to payment information. They take almost every kind of credit card that's out there, and you enter all of that. And then the billing address. So I want to mention that back up to the top where you enter your name. So your name here has to match up, just in case hopefully you're going to make commissions, right? So you're going to have to submit at some point your photo ID, and that name has to match the name perfectly on the account. So here, probably instead of Joe, it would be Joseph, right? And he may have a middle initial or, a middle name on his ID. That should be on here as well. So just want to mention that. The other thing is, if you are doing this under your corporation, the company name has to match exact with your state papers where you registered, how you registered it as a corporation with your state. Okay, and then going down further, then all you have to do is agree to the terms and conditions, and you can click on this and read through them, but you'll click here and agree to those terms and conditions and then hit submit. So that's as far as I can go in terms of walking you through this process. However, I do want to mention this over here on the right side. You'll have your distributor's name and information. Make sure that is the person and the team that you want to sign up with. Okay. And then here, if you wanted to add any additional enrollment items, you could do that. Like on top of the kit, say you wanted to just get another couple sleeves of something at wholesale price, you can do that here. So that's really nice. And then when you get to the next page, there will be a summary of all the information you have provided. And sometimes people think that's like saying, oh, everything's good. This is like my receipt, right? Because you have entered your credit card information, but it's not your receipt and you're not finished yet. It will, at the end of it, it will say submit enrollment. And you have to click yet another blue button on the next page. And then they will give you your ID number. Until you have a distributor ID number up here on hopefully your Chrome browser, you are not done with this enrollment. Also, I encourage you to check your email, because immediately after you enroll, there will be an email that confirms that everything was processed. So just make sure you get through the entire enrollment, and don't think that this was your last page to submit, because it's not. They want you to check everything over on the next page before you officially submit the enrollment. So that is it. I hope it was helpful, and good luck to all of you. Have a good night.